Today's video is a little bit different. Today I'm doing a giveaway to celebrate reaching 5,000 subscribers. I'm just so thankful and grateful for every single one of you who watches my videos, who subscribes and comments, and I just love all the interaction and the questions, and it's just been so wonderful and such a blessing, and I wanted to give back to you guys in thanks. So, in honor of 5,000 subscribers, I'm gonna do a giveaway of a box of my favorite things. So this includes a smattering of my favorite things, which if you've been watching, then you know basically half of those. Of course, one we cannot forget is the cake tester, which I use for all of the things. There'll be a couple cake testers in there, as well as my favorite whisk, because we know I love and adore her. And a Y peeler, because why not? And also, they're so much better than the other ones. I just can't. And then a baby whisk, because you can never have enough baby whisks, and we all know that they're near and dear to my heart. And lastly, it's an immersion blender. So you know I use an immersion blender for all of the things, from mixing batters to immersion blending purees and sauces and jams, and even just making egg wash really fast. An immersion blender is one of the most useful and wonderful tools in the kitchen, and I want you to have one as well. So that's what I'm giving away. It's gonna come in a beautiful white mailer box with crinkle paper, all packaged beautifully, because it is a gift to you from me, and I want you to feel appreciated and loved, as I do. So how to enter this giveaway? So you can enter on YouTube by subscribing to my channel. Make sure you hit the bell button so that you get notified every time I post a new and delicious recipe, as I say. And so then once you've subscribed, then leave a comment down below. It can say whatever you want. It can be your favorite video. It can just say, hey, what's up? I subscribed and I'm entering. Whatever you feel like saying, that's what you should say. Just so I know that you've entered. And if you want a bonus entry, then you can go over to my Instagram and you can leave a comment on my peach loaf post there. So all you have to do is like and follow and then comment over there. There'll be instructions in the post as well. So I'm gonna announce one winner in 1 week, so on the 28th of July. And I'm going to, if you enter it on Instagram, then I'll send you a DM, because I will need your mailing address to send you this wonderful package. And also if you enter down below, then I will just reply to your comment, and if you could just email me to give me all the details, that'd be wonderful. Again, thank you so much, and don't forget just to subscribe and comment below. Head over to Instagram, I'll put the link in the description, and like, comment, and follow over there, and I hope to see you back soon. In case you don't know what this channel is, you just found it for the giveaway. It's cool. Welcome. And I post a smattering of savory and sweet recipes. I am a professional pastry chef, and I've worked in a professional kitchen and savory as well, so you can trust that everything is delicious and flavorful and exactly as it should be, and sometimes just a little bit better.